Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we need to find about complementary solution. So I will put about yc equals to e to the power of lambda t. So if we do first the derivative of this one, we have lambda e to the power of lambda t. Because if we do first the derivative of this one, we keep the same e to the power of lambda t. Later that we do first the derivative of lambda t, we have lambda. Next, we do second derivative of this one, and we have lambda square e to the power of lambda t. Because this is about complementary solution, so this one equals to number 0. So I will put this one gone here, this one gone here, and this one gone here. Next, e to the power of lambda t, we can do about factorization. So I will find the solution of this one in here. So this one we have lambda equals to negative number 2, lambda equals to negative number 5, and now we can find about yc. So we have c number 1, that is about the constant number 1, e to the power of lambda t. Now we need to change lambda into negative number 2. So we have negative number 2t. And we have c number 2. That is about the constant number 2, e to the power of negative number 5t. Now we go to particular solution. So we see that we have te to the power of 5t. So in this situation, we need to find about yb equals to a plus bt, and we have e to the power of 5t. Now we need to find first the derivative of this one. So we need to do first this one, and we have b e to the power of 5t. Later that we do first the derivative of this one, so we have number 5 in here, and we keep the same e to the power of 5t. Now we do second derivative of this one. So this one we have 5be to the power of 5t. So this one we do the same technique of this one in here. So I will copy like this. Next we have this one. So I will put this one gone here. This one, that is about this one. Y, that is about this one. Now we need to simplify this one in here. So we have this one equals to this one. So we have 20t, that means 70b equals to number 20. We don't have e to the power of 5t, so this one equals to number 0. And now we have the system of equations. And now we need to find the solutions of A and B. So here is the answer for A and B. So we put A and B go in here. Now we have the final answer. Y equals to YC plus YP. YC, that is about this one. YP, that is about this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.